Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a ASCII diagram. It's not even close to what I was hoping to produce, which was something like this. This is very pretty. English lesson brighton.co.uk. They did a great job. They clearly paid a designer to do this. I don't have the money nor the interest in paying a designer, so I tried to create more or less the same thing using ASCII, and the results were mixed, to say the least. So I went and did what any self-respecting computer guy will do, decided to create my own. And I chose plantuml as my choice. And this is a Google Colab document, and it's very handy. And I'm just going to go ahead and run all. And then while that's working its way, you can see down here it says it's executing 0 cells, blah, blah, blah. And it's already done, so I don't have to worry about it. So I installed plantuml. I did a sanity check just to see which applications were installed. plantuml is for Java. It's already in like version 6. But for PyPy, for pip, it's only 3. So keep that in mind. Python is not being supported very well by plantuml. That being said, I created a bunch of simple functions that read in a text document. And you can see I've got the table of contents over here, and I should have a bunch of text files. I do, that reflect this data here. So past simple, past perfect, past continuous, future, etc., etc. And all of these are creating formulas, or rather functions, that will produce a random line. I'm using IC here. This is ice cream to tell me which function is running, and then the output. So I've already run it, so I'm not going to, I'm done testing. So I'm not going to delete my text file, but I will go ahead and delete the PNG file because I'm going to generate a new one right here in front of you. So you see those functions I was using earlier. Since all of this is writing from an F string, this was the easiest way for me to get plantuml to play nice. And it does play nice, but it was easier just to write a text file and then have the text, and then have plantuml read the text file. Let's go ahead and load it. You see it's pretty fast. And you can see down here, I'm actually calling Python to execute plantuml against this file here, tenses.txt, which is this document here. Now, moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and download the file because this is a big image, and plantuml doesn't do a very good job of wrapping. As you can see, in fact, it's lost the entire right-hand side. I checked already with the developers. There is no padding function. So what I'll have to do is go back and rename some of these larger ones, some of these larger swim lane headers, to make it easier to read, because obviously plantuml does not, well, it doesn't print the whole thing. So there it is. But it looks pretty good, and the code was relatively simple. And I could, let's let's reduce the size of some of these column headers. I know eliminating a few E's may not be bold enough, but that should help, I hope. Control S, and let's go ahead and delete the PNG. We'll run it. No errors, yay. And now, okay, so it's reduced the size. Let's open up the document, tenses. And okay, so it added a little bit more text here, but you can see that I need to be a little more aggressive with renaming because it's still off the edge of the screen. All right, that's plantuml. The results are mixed, but it does work. I will share this. Colab document in the description of the video. Thanks for watching and happy computing.